So for this video, I just wanted to share what I do with these plaques from Dollar Tree. They're really cute plaques. They're buffalo plaid, buffalo check, however you want to say it. I grabbed 3 of them. I should have grabbed more because you can do so many things with these. But I'm going to take some gray chalk paint. I'm going to cover the center and I am going to throw some words on there. I'm just going to use my Cricut machine. You can also use stickers, the letter stickers. You don't have to have a vinyl cutting machine. But keep watching. I'll show you how it turns out. So I painted the center of each of my plaques, and I did leave a black trim around each center just to make it look like it's framed. Now I'm just going to use my Cricut and I'm going to cut out some words. Here's how my plaques turned out. I think they are really cute. I went with the font called Skinny Jeans Medium. It's a Rae Dunn inspired font, I guess you could say. And I do collect Rae Dunn, and I have a lot of Rae Dunn in my dining room and in my kitchen, so these little plaques were perfect. That's going to end my video, and thanks for watching.